Now we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, we refer to my last analysis when the price was exactly within this move. I mentioned if we want to look for sell, let the price at least break this top before we take the sell. As you can see, the price break the top, then we get this down move. Now we want to see what's this, whether this one turn to a correction for one more drop, or this one can correct and drop in the way, I mean, the start to drop, but in terms of the corrective, then any buy from there will be more interested. Okay, now we want to see whether we should wait for the breakout of this before we take the look for buy, or any buy from here we can take it. Okay, first of all, we move to daily chart. All right, based on daily chart, we had in this line we mentioned still we can expect the correction for the price to take this before reverse. Okay, and how about if we move to forward chart? Based on forward chart, we see the only thing is we have a correction here. How deep this correction can go, we are not sure. It depends. If this one become deeper, the possibility of one more drop is, I mean, it become more, because, and even at that time, we can expect the price to break this trend line. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade within this range, whether we should look for buy or sell. Okay, if we move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, if this one turn to a corrective for a sell, still we can expect the price to drop. But whether we want to sell or not, because it's almost at this low, this is the lowest price in relative to this. In terms of the risk and reward, I mean, it doesn't give us really good trade unless the price sharply break and continue. But it depends on the traders. If they can trade it, but we consider it as a short term sell. But if this one start to drop in terms of the way I'm drawing, in terms of the corrective, then we can expect the further reversal. Okay. Now the things is, if we get the buy, any buy to this top, we will be more interested. Now the things question is, the price haven't broke the low. If the price this one turn to a correction for one more drop to break this low, is better for us. But even if this one it start to reverse from here, any buy we consider as a short term, at least with a sharp and flag. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. And when if we get a price, we targeted this top. Then from there, we see whether there is a continuation or not. Because right now we're looking at this correction, this one, in relative to this for one move up. Okay, this is just for now based on, I mean, whatever we're talking is based on this. I mean, based within this correction, this is what we are looking for. And how about if we move to 15 minutes? Okay, as we can see, based on 15 minutes, the way it's moving is still we can expect what we have here is still we can expect one more drop. That's what this one turned to, whatever I show based on daily chart. All right. Now the thing is, we move to 1 hour chart. Okay. I think if we get the correction for one more drop to break this low without breaking this one, any buy, it can give a better confirmation to break this top. But rather than that, if the price reverse from here, maybe the only buy will be within this range. By the way, any buy we take it, and as long as the price come to this level, we start to manage it. The only way we can, any sharp move, like, because if we get the buy in terms of the over stop loss will be here. In terms of the risk and reward can give us really better trade than sell. And in case if the price break this top, then will be good for us. By the way, we just follow the chart, we see what we get, and if I get any update, I will share. The only thing is we need to see whether this is a correction for one more drop or not. In this case, if I see any trade setup, I will share things.